Hey guys, we're in San Menaio and we're actually at one of our favorite little fruit shops. So you got Piero and his wife Maria. I don't know that they're here today, but this is just a great little stop to grab some really fresh fruit. So you're gonna see here they've just got everything, and everything's so fresh, and it's fantastic. There's Piero. They got plums and peaches and cucumbers, which are fruit, by the way. Ciao, hey! Buongiorno, Antonio. That's Antonio, that's our electrician. There's our ride this morning, and then here's our watermelon. So what's great about this is all there. So this is like a marmalade that they make right from their farm. They're almost neighbors of ours. So beans, olives, all dried beans, grab a little vino, and then again peaches. It's a great stop. We'll go get maybe some coffee and a cornetti, and then we'll hit this here to grab something on the way home.
C'è anche insalata mista pronta?
Basta così, Maria.